Hi everyone, I bought this Furr Charcoal Nose Strips, so let's see its review and demo. This one is a pack of 3 strips, priced at just 99 with a shelf life of 3 years, and these strips are suitable for all skin type and they effectively remove blackhead and whitehead that we will see. So they are paraben free, sulfate free, and let's see how these nose strips look like. Okay, it's stuck to this transparent sheet and one side is the shiny part. This shiny part will have to be affixed on your nose with the water, and the other is like cloth texture. So how to use? First you have to prep your skin, clean your face thoroughly, and if you are wearing a nose pin, be sure to remove it. Now wet your nose. This step is crucial for the strip to adhere properly, and peel off the transparent sheet. Place it on your nose with the shiny side facing down and press gently to ensure that it sticks well. Now wait for 15 minutes, let the strip work its magic. Now the tough part. Peel it off slowly. This can be a little painful, but it's totally bearable. Avoid pulling it off in one go. Take your time. Once you remove the strip, you will notice that it has pulled out blackheads and impurities. It's all visible in this strip. And if there is any residue on their nose, gently clean it off. The results are instantly visible. Your nose will feel smooth, clean, and refreshed. These strips are infused with natural ingredients like aloe vera, tea tree, make it both effective and gentle on your skin. So they are super easy to use and definitely deliver what it promise, and they remove each stubborn blackhead. Okay, a word of caution, avoid using these strips if your skin is irritated or inflamed. Overall, it's a great product, worth trying. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to get rid of blackheads, that's it. Give it a try and subscribe for more.